What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Flex 3 and iGameGod crash problem. In this video I will show you two ways to solve this problem. As you see here, I'm on iOS 14.4.1 and now I will open Flex Tweak. As you see, the tweak crashes as soon as I open it, and this problem is faced by many people. Once opened, it keeps crashing. Also guys, here I have iGameGod tweak which crashes once opened. As you see, the tweak will keep crashing once opened. Alright guys, in this video I will show you how to fix this problem. Alright, the first method is with iCleaner Pro tweak. If you don't have this tweak, install it. After installing the tweak, open it. Go to the plus button here. Now here go to Cydia Substrate add-ins. Now here all you have to do is search for the tweak that crashes when you open it. Okay, I will search for Flex tweak, and as you see, this is the tweak. Now all you have to do is disable the tweak from here. After disabling the tweak, click apply and then restart your device. After restarting your device, follow the same steps. After that, just enable the tweak again from here. Then click apply and then restart your device. After restarting your device, try to open the tweak. As you see guys, the first method didn't work for me. Now I will show you the second method which will definitely work. Alright, go to settings. Here go to display brightness option. Scroll down and turn off the bold text. You may not believe this guys, but activating the bold text feature causes the crash of many Cydia tweaks, and I think this is because Cydia tweaks don't support bold text. Alright, turn off the bold text. After turning off the bold text, go ahead and open the tweak to see if the crash problem has been solved or not. Alright, now I will open Flex tweak again. The tweak now works without any problem after turning off the bold text option, and this means that the crash problem was due to the bold text option. Now I will close the tweak and open it again, and as you see guys, the tweak works without any problem. Now I will try iGameGod tweak. As you see, the tweak also works without any problem. This is how to solve some Cydia tweaks crashing when opening them. Now I'm gonna turn on the bold text and then I will try the tweaks again. As you see, the tweak crashes immediately as soon as I open it after I turn it on the bold text option. This means that the bold text option is the cause. So if you are having any problem with Cydia tweaks, be sure to turn off the bold text. I will turn off the bold text again. As you see guys, the tweaks work again without any problem after turning off the bold text. This is how to fix some Cydia tweaks crashing problems. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.